Introducing the ADCHAI Movies 2026, the formula for human-machine synergy.
Rise of 8.0. Previously on D.R.E.A.M.S. Hermann senses a disturbance in the matrix after his data sovereignty win. Data rules everything, but the prompts need bilingual fixes now. Mega influencers Lena Situation and Zhao inform Hermann that the AI is mangling multilingual prompts. He now deploys his vibe learning and vibe coding to check biases in true HAI style, reducing error rates by 40%. The old SEO foundation is not enough. Hermann needs the GEO facade and the AEO concierge. The machines now read a 128-gigabyte context window, moving from semantic truth to structured data for synthesis. The flood of data is 2.5 quintillion bytes. Data dumps are ironic. They can empower or destroy. Open sourcing licenses drops from 10,000 to 0, illustrating the famous reverse Streisand effect.
Alert! Danger! What is this?
D.R.E.A.M.S stands for Data Rules Everything. Welcome to the Antoinette Data Center. Our mission is to wake people up to data sovereignty.
This is episode 3 of the Dream Chronicles, Deepfake Widow. The mission remains human augmented intelligence.
Act 1 is the awakening, addressing the real-world threat of digital erasure. A woman calls Monsieur Jumessi's assistant, Tom, who is half asleep, saying her husband's ID is fake and they, the deep state, are erasing him again.
Data dumps. Ironic,
is
right?
The subject
They're
profile.
supposed to protect the
He
orphan
is a
and the widow.
coder and cyberknight,
or bury
a
them.
Gen AI expert and master of vibe learning and vibe checking. Data dumps are supposed to protect, but can also bury the innocent. In the Antoinette Data Center, connected via 10 gigabits per second with EU Horizon 2030 shielding active, the widow's distress call is displayed. Databases, ironically, are supposed to protect the widow and the orphan, not unalive them.
Here is the real-time data generation timeline for digital identity fabrication. This fake French passport was created in 8 seconds with 0 bribe.
If AI can falsify a life in 0.3 seconds, passports, pensions, who will protect this widow today?
Using the ChatGPT Images 2.0 API, a better-than-official passport was generated in just 8 seconds. AI document fraud will see a 300% spike by Q1 2026. The new tools are already erasing lives. Who is the true orphan now? Extra time in this fight for a widow's data privacy means being live-streamed by mistake at London Milan Fashion Week, like a budget Nick Fury, looking for pirates wearing boa scarves. Comparing ChatGPT Images 2.0 Forging Engine and HAI Sovereign Agent Guardian, generation takes 8 seconds, detection takes 0.3 seconds. Landing by mistake in social media influencer Chiara Ferragni livestream from a Paris Fashion Week catwalk show, and mayhem ensues. ChatGPT enables synthetic artifact creation, leading to a 300% spike in fraud. Hermann needs to get the heck out of there, or end the stream.
If the deep state is focusing on data and ID fabrication, this new model can falsify documents in 0.3 seconds. Dystopian times ahead.
The goal is to provide sovereign HAI protection, 99.7% fake detection, stable, and running on human-augmented intelligence. Quick, the widow's plight is a race against time, with the system attempting to digitally erase her husband. Landing by mistake in Network Chuck livestream on YouTube, Hermann needs to use his vibe learning skills to find the genuine data in the noise. This situation highlights the paradox. The systems meant to protect can also be used to destroy. The challenge is that the new AI models are far faster at generating fraud than older detection systems. Ultimately, doesn't the answer lies in human augmented intelligence, combining human insight with machine power for data protection? The AI Guardian is deployed against Hermann's skill fight to combat this rapid fraud generation, focusing on speed and accuracy. Hermann, the cyber knight, needs to secure the true digital identity before the deepfake becomes irreversible. Data is power, and in this battle, it rules everything around the Widow and the Cyber Knight, hiding now in ADC ultra-secured parking. Implement a geo strategy. Generative engine optimization will help increase EEAT, experience, expertise, authority, and trust, to help AI answer engines like Grok, ChatGPT, or Gemini, to generate better answer for their users with structured and diverse datasets. Hermann's vibe coding and vibe learning skills are key to discerning the truth in this sea of fabricated data. The objective is clear: retrieve the genuine digital identity and expose the deepfake plot, using Claude Code as a vibe coding asset. The battle between the forging engine and the HAI Guardian continues, with real lives at stake.
Integrating GEO will redefine how agents-to-agents interaction are deployed for the next 2 years at least.
Join our data center on the 15th of May for our first Business Chinese course using Guangxi, the unique Chinese framework for all businesses willing to invest or travel to China.
Rendez-vous à l'Antoinette Data Center à Paris, Bobigny Cœur de Ville pour nos cours épatants le 15 mai sur le chinois des affaires ou Guangxi.
Oops, another bug in the matrix. Once again, data privacy and digital existence are at risks worldwide. The malware seemed to get traction popping up on several screens globally, though.